Do you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day with Google search? Welcome, dreamers and doers, to this exciting journey where we'll be exploring an opportunity that's as vast as the internet itself. We're here to unravel the secret of earning $1,000 a day right from the comfort of your home using nothing more than Google search. In the upcoming scenes, we'll be diving deep into the world of Google search, understanding its nuances and harnessing its power. We'll take you through the meticulous process of keyword research, the art of creating high-quality content, and the knack of monetizing your website. Each step is designed to equip you with the skills needed to tap into this goldmine of an opportunity. Imagine the possibilities that an extra $1,000 a day could open up for you. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. Before we dive in, it's important to understand how Google search works. This seemingly simple tool we use every day is, in fact, a complex and sophisticated system. But don't worry, we're going to break it down for you. Imagine Google as a vast library, but instead of books, it's filled with web pages. When you type something into the search box, you're essentially asking the librarian, Google, to find the most relevant information for your query. How does Google do this? Through a process called indexing. Google sends out digital spiders that crawl the vast expanses of the internet, cataloging and indexing every web page they find. This index becomes the library from which Google pulls information when you make a search. But how does Google know which pages are the most relevant to your search? This is where keywords come into play. Google's complex algorithms analyze the content of web pages to find matches for these keywords. But it's not just about matching words. Google also assesses the quality of the content and the reliability of the source. This is why reputable websites with high-quality content often appear at the top of search results. Google also takes into account the number of other reputable sites that link to a page, which is a sign of its credibility. This is known as backlinking. Now, why is understanding Google search so crucial? Because knowing how it works can help you create content that Google will recognize as valuable and relevant. This can increase your visibility on the web, attracting more visitors to your site or blog. In the context of our goal of making $1,000 a day, understanding Google search is like knowing the rules of the game. Once you know how the game is played, you can devise a strategy to win. Having a strong grasp of Google search is the first step towards our goal of making $1,000 a day. So now that we've got the basics down, let's move on to the next step, keyword research. Now that we understand Google search, let's delve into keyword research. Keyword research is the compass that guides your online business. It's the process of discovering the words and phrases, known as keywords, that people use in search engines. By understanding these terms, you can create content that aligns with what your target audience is searching for. Think of it like this. If you're in the business of selling handmade soaps, you'd want to know if people are searching for organic handmade soaps or artisanal soap bars. These are your keywords, and they're essential in connecting with your potential customers. There's a myriad of tools available to help you with keyword research. Some are free, like Google's own keyword planner, while others are paid, such as SEMrush and Ahrefs. These tools provide valuable data about keywords, including search volume, competition level, and even the cost per click if you're considering paid advertising. Using these tools effectively requires a bit of strategy. Start by brainstorming a list of topics related to your business. For our handmade soap example, this could include natural skincare, gift ideas, or sustainable living. Next, plug these topics into your keyword tool of choice. You'll get a list of related keywords, along with their search volumes and competition levels. Look for keywords with a high search volume and low competition. These are your golden opportunities. But remember, keyword research isn't a one-time job. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and so are search trends. It's important to revisit your keywords regularly to ensure they're still relevant and effective. So why is keyword research so crucial? Well, it's simple. By using the right keywords, you can attract high-quality traffic to your website. And by high quality, we mean visitors who are interested in what you're offering and more likely to convert into customers. In essence, effective keyword research is the key to attracting high-quality traffic to your website. It's a vital step in your quest to make $1,000 a day with Google search. So, roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of keywords. Your online success story begins here. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to create high-quality content. Now you may ask, what exactly is high-quality content? Well, it's content that is not only informative and engaging, but also SEO-friendly. It's content that provides value to your audience while also ticking all the right boxes for search engine algorithms. In the realm of digital marketing, content is king. It's through your content that you're able to communicate with your audience, build trust, and establish your brand. But remember, the internet is a vast ocean, and to make your mark, your content needs to be more than just good. It needs to be exceptional. So, how do you create high-quality content? First, you need to understand your audience. Know what they're looking for, what questions they're asking, and what problems they're trying to solve. This is where your keywords come in. They give you a glimpse into your audience's mind. Next, your content should be original and unique. There's no room for plagiarism in the world of SEO. Also, aim to create long-form content. Studies have shown that longer content tends to rank higher on Google. But remember, length should never compromise quality. Integrating your keywords into your content is crucial, but it must be done naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing as it can lead to penalties from Google. Instead, spread your keywords evenly throughout your content, in your headings, subheadings, and body text. Additionally, don't forget about the technical aspects of SEO. This includes optimizing your meta descriptions, using internal and external links, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. Lastly, always keep your content fresh and updated. Regularly reassess your content strategy and make necessary adjustments to stay relevant. Remember, content is king. Make it count. Creating high-quality content is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires creativity, patience, and an in-depth understanding of SEO. But as you continue to create exceptional content, you'll see your website climb the Google rankings, bringing you closer to your goal of making $1,000 a day. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, monetizing your website. Monetizing your website is like setting up a digital lemonade stand. But instead of selling lemonade, you're selling space on your website, your content, or your product recommendations. Let's dive into the 3 major ways you can monetize your website. First up, Google AdSense. Think of this as renting out billboard space on your website. Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers serve text, image, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to your site content and audience. These ads are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google, and they can generate revenue on either a per-click or per-impression basis. It's like having a tenant who pays rent for using your property. The more traffic you have, the higher your potential earnings. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services on your website. You'll provide a link to the product or service, and if a visitor clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you'll receive a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation. The key here is to promote products that are relevant to your content and beneficial for your audience. Lastly, let's talk about sponsored posts. These are articles or posts that a company pays you to publish on your website. It can be a review of a product, a mention of a service, or anything else that promotes the brand. The payment can be a flat fee, a commission, or sometimes both. However, it's important to disclose these posts to your readers to maintain transparency and trust. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. You may find that a combination of these 3 methods works best for your website. What's important is that you choose a strategy that aligns with your content, your audience, and your values. Choose the right monetization strategy for your website and start earning. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making $1,000 a day with Google Search. Let's take a moment to jog our memory on the main points we've covered today. We began by understanding Google Search and its potential. Then, we dived into the world of keyword research, learning how to find those hidden gems that can drive immense traffic to our website. Next, we touched upon the importance of creating high-quality content, because remember, content is king. It's the fuel that drives the engine of your online earnings. Lastly, we discussed various ways to monetize your website, turning your online presence into a profitable venture. Now it's your turn. Take these steps, implement them, and start your journey towards financial independence. It may seem like a daunting task, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and hard work, you can certainly make $1,000 a day with Google Search. Start today.